super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money instantly. We're going to visit one website. But before I give you the details, my friend, let me just announce to you that the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be financially free by doing the activities that I'm going to show you on this website. But it is a good way of testing the waters of making money using the power of the internet. What can be a game changer to your finances is what I'm going to announce towards the end of this video. So stay with me. Right? My channel is all about making money, and I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn how to harness the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button, that notification bell, so that I can announce to you each time and every time that I upload a new video. Okay, without wasting your time, my friend, let me show you the website I'm talking about. The website is called Cinchbucks. It's a secure website with a padlock in the corner. Get paid for sharing your opinion. Get Cinchbucks. You could say Cinch dollars. Get Cinchbucks or Cinch dollars by answering surveys, completing simple offers, then cash in your Cinchbucks for cash, gift cards, and other amazing rewards. So you can sign up for free right there. I've just logged in and this is how it looks, okay? So you can make money with the offer walls. You can do surveys, you can refer friends, right? You can also play games, all right? And look at the surveys. You can crash these surveys they say 11 minutes, and then you get 193 Cinchbucks. We want to find out what a Cinchbuck is equivalent to. 100 Cinchbucks is equal to $1, right? So if you've got 100 CBs, according to this website, they refer to them as CBs, right? Cinchbucks or Cinch dollars, right? So one Cinchbuck is equivalent to $1, right? So you can earn 193 Cinchbucks right there in 11 minutes. That's about $2, right? And that one, that's $1 in 7 minutes. That one, $1 in 7 minutes. $1 in 7 minutes. And you can see some more surveys that can give you more money. This one, 275 Cinchbucks, right, in 20 minutes. But you find out that it's much, much less than 20 minutes. So if you go to offer walls, then you click one ads. This is one of the fantastic ways of earning Cinchbucks right here on this website, okay? And this one says King of Prizes, gifts and cash. And you earn 800 Cinchbucks by just signing up. You just sign up there and then you get $8, because we saw that $1 is equal to 100 Cinchbucks. So 800 Cinchbucks is equivalent to $8. For you to just sign up, you don't take 2 minutes or a minute to sign up to fill in a form where you leave your name or an email address. That's $8, right? And look at the other ones. And this one is a sweepstake, right? Chocolate basket. Please follow the steps on the page. And then you can do it with your Apple device, Android device, or your desktop. Okay, so you can see some more ads right there. With Asda, you get a £100 gift card. Claim your chance now. Win this £100 gift card. All right, it's a sweepstake, right? So you just click that and then follow the instructions. Receive free samples, protect the health of your family. Worth £50 or $50, right? And at the same time, you also get 57 cinch bucks. Okay, so you receive free samples from Detto, right? You can also play games and earn some more cinch bucks. Yes, there is Neon Battle Tank 2 right there, Baby Race Galaxy, you've got a Choo Choo Cake, you've got Temple Get a Quest, right? Cube Jump. You've got all sorts of games to play right there. Fidget spinners, right? You can play some games and in the process, you are winning some cinch bucks, which you can convert into PayPal cash. All right, so you will see that there is a ton of ways for you to redeem your cinch bucks. But the biggest way you can earn money on this website is to refer a friend. So you click that button, refer and earn, and click refer a friend. You earn 20% of their earnings for life. Okay, so your referral link is there. That's mine. And if you want to send your link to Facebook, you just click that link for Facebook, for Twitter, right? LinkedIn, Pinterest, even WhatsApp is here, Messenger is here. Okay, right. So let me show you how it looks on Facebook. So this is how it looks when you send your link to Facebook. The advert goes, the key to making money is to stay invested. Stay invested on cinch bucks. Get free gift cards, okay? So people will look at that and then they'll click. But once they click there, they are using your link, your referral link, and then you earn 20% of their earnings, right? So if people click that one, it will be mine. You can see I'm on my story right now, or I can click off news feed right there, or my story, and that's me. That's my profile, right? So the other way you can maximize the power of Facebook is to go and then you search for a group called Make Money Online 2020. This one, right? So that group, it allows you to post your link for free. And you can see some examples of other adverts that are already running on this one. You can see that the group has got 120,000 members. So when you post your link on here, it's got a potential of being viewed by thousands and thousands of people, right? So remember, you are earning 20% of the earnings of anyone who clicks your link, who goes to cinch bucks through your link. Okay. This is how you can make money with your referral link. You want to dig out this website to see whether it's a website to deal with or it's not a website to deal with, right? When you want to do that, when you want to find out whether a website is legit or what, you just look for reviews. Check what people who are using the website or the product on reviews on Trustpilot and see what people are saying about it. Get free gift cards for daily online tasks. 81 people have left their reviews, but look at the bars. 56% saying excellent. 14% saying great, okay? Right, so you can see that the overall star is 3.3 stars out of 5, which is quite a decent rating right there, okay? So you can proceed on this website with some confidence, with some peace of mind. You can dig it more for yourself, okay? So what I've just described to you, my friend, is what is called active income. You are actively involved in doing the surveys, watching the videos, playing the games, okay, right? But the minute you stop doing any activities on this website, that's the minute when your money is going to also to drop down to zero. There is another twist to making money online, my friend, and that twist is called AutoPilot business. That you can set up a money-making machine in motion. And this money-making machine goes to work for you 24/7, 365, whilst you are doing other things, right? So it's possible for you to make money whilst you are asleep. It's possible for you to make money whilst you are traveling on vacation. It's possible for you to make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your husband, your wife, your children. It's possible for you to make money whilst you are doing the more important things of life on your dream vacation. Right? Why? Because catching money is getting into your account hands-free. Click the link in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. And you get the details of what I've just hinted on right now. So if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later. Bye.